What can I say? They call me Warren Buffett. For real though. So today, RRD is the ticker I invested in. That was my day trade. I used Finviz again. Saw that RRD looked like it was about to pop up. At open, it went down under yesterday's market. TradingView said strong buy, and rather than waiting for a dip, which I was tempted to do, I saw it started going up, and I went with TradingView's suggestion, and I bought it right away. I ended up going up to about 9% up from yesterday. I sold it at 8.99, which was the second highest peak of the day. It peaked later around like 4 o'clock, I think, at $15 a share. No, not $15. It was like $3 a share. It peaked at like 15% above. So it was 5 more percent, but also that was at like 4 o'clock, like I said, and I can't be watching the stock market every second of every day because once it hits that peak, it goes down fast. Anyways, so I got it almost at the top of the highest peak, and because I bought it under market, I ended up making a 10% gain today, over 10% gain. So I put in like $47 and I got over 5 out, which is really cool. Because if I had put in $1,000, that would have meant $100 in one trade in one day. That's a really good feeling. It might be a fluke. This is only my second attempt at a day trade, but I feel like there was intent behind it. I feel like there was strategy behind it. I'm feeling good. So I learned from yesterday. I used my tools. I didn't not trust my tools. So do that when you're trading. All right, bye.